Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic operating system. So let's get started. Which of the following conditions is characterized by a system spending more time swapping pages in and out of memory than executing actual instructions? The correct answer is option D, thrashing. The banker's algorithm is primarily used in operating systems for which of the following purposes? The correct answer is option B, deadlock avoidance. In a Unix-like file system, which piece of information is not typically stored within a node? The correct answer is option A, the file name. Belady's anomaly refers to the phenomenon where the page fault rate increases as the number of allocated frames increases. Which page replacement algorithm is known to suffer from this? The correct answer is option C, first in first out FIFO. In real-time systems, the rate monotonic (RM) scheduling algorithm assigns priorities based on which criteria? The correct answer is option B, the inverse of the period of the task. Which disk scheduling algorithm services requests in one direction only and, upon reaching the end, immediately returns to the beginning of the disk without servicing requests on the return trip? The correct answer is option D, cscan. Which memory management scheme allows the physical address space of a process to be non-contiguous and supports the user's view of memory as a collection of logical units like functions or objects? The correct answer is option A, segmentation. Peterson's solution is a software-based mechanism used to solve the critical section problem for how many processes? The correct answer is option C, exactly 2 processes. The page table base register, PTBR, is used to store which of the following? The correct answer is option D, the starting physical address of the page table in memory. What is the primary purpose of spooling in an operating system? The correct answer is option B, to act as a buffer for data being transferred between low-speed and high-speed devices. Which of the following is a high-speed associative memory used to reduce the effective memory access time in a paging system? The correct answer is option A, translation look-aside buffer, TLB. To prevent the hold and wait condition for deadlocks, what strategy can an operating system employ? The correct answer is option C, require a process to request all its required resources before it begins execution. In file allocation, which method suffers from slow random access because it requires traversing a series of pointers to find a specific block? The correct answer is option B, linked allocation. Which statement best describes the context switch in an operating system? The correct answer is option D. It is pure overhead where the kernel saves and restores the state of a CPU. Which type of thread is managed and scheduled by the operating system kernel rather than a thread library in user space? The correct answer is option A, kernel-level threads. In the context of the banker's algorithm, a safe state is defined as a state where the correct answer is option C, The system can allocate resources to each process in some order and still avoid deadlock. Which of the following describes demand paging? The correct answer is option B, loading a page into memory only when it is needed during execution. Which disk scheduling algorithm is most likely to cause starvation of requests that are far from the current head position? The correct answer is option D, SSTF. A monitor in process synchronization is best described as. The correct answer is option A, a high-level synchronization construct that encapsulates data and procedures. The working set model for page replacement is based on which fundamental principle? The correct answer is option C, locality of reference. Which RAID level uses block-level striping with distributed parity, providing a balance between performance and data redundancy? The correct answer is option B, RAID 5. In the booting process, what is the role of the bootstrap program, bootloader? The correct answer is option D, to load the operating system kernel into memory and start its execution. What happens when a process executes the wait, or P, operation on a semaphore with a value of 0? The correct answer is option A. The process is blocked until the value becomes greater than 0. A virtual address in a paging system is typically divided into which two parts? The correct answer is option C, page number and page offset. What is the key difference between a hard real-time system and a soft real-time system? The correct answer is option B. Hard systems must meet strict deadlines, while soft systems consider deadlines as desirable but not mandatory. Internal fragmentation occurs in which of the following scenarios? The correct answer is option D, when the memory allocated to a process is slightly larger than the memory requested. Direct memory access, DMA, is used to achieve which of the following? The correct answer is option A, allowing I/O devices to transfer data directly from memory without continuous CPU involvement. In a microkernel architecture, which of the following is typically moved out of the kernel and into user space? The correct answer is option C, file systems and device drivers. Which hardware component is responsible for mapping logical addresses generated by the CPU to physical addresses in memory? The correct answer is option B, the Memory Management Unit, MMU. In a resource allocation graph, RAG, if there is a cycle and each resource type has only one instance, then the correct answer is option A. A deadlock has definitely occurred. Thank you for watching.